How much will XLM be worth in 2021 and beyond? Will Stellar go up or crash? On the lookout for Stellar Prediction 2021 to 2025? Or have you been struggling to answer the question, is Stellar a good investment? You're in the right place. We'll be sharing the top Stellar price prediction for 2021 and beyond. We're taking a look at Stellar XLM to find out what the experts have to say about its future performance and how much will Stellar be worth in 2021 and beyond. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Secrets, a channel where we give daily updates about crypto as we have announced a monthly giveaway of 1000 XLM coins. So hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway, and don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views with us in the comment section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. Initially referred to as the secret Bitcoin project, Stellar XLM was launched in 2014 by Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb. Since then, it's gone on to become the world's 11th biggest cryptocurrency. Its current market capitalization is $3,307,763,271, and the price of its native currency, Lumens, is a modest $0.152991. Over the past 6 years, the Stellar network has gained the attention of various high-profile enterprises. From IBM to Deloitte, Stellar is powering apps and payment systems for some of the biggest businesses in the world. But what should we expect to see great things in the future? The price of Stellar XLM has never been sky high. But after the market's recent bull run sent its price from $0.152991 in October to $0.3258 today, and its market capitalization from $3,307,763,271 to $7,567,856,726, you may be wondering whether it's set to increase over the next 5 years. The industry is no stranger to volatility. Back in 2017-18, a market-wide bull run saw most assets hit an all-time high, ATH. However, the effects didn't last long, and it's understandable that many people are worried the same will happen again. So, do industry experts expect to see the price of XLM fall? Or could we be in for a new ATH? Whether you're a current Stellar investor or someone who wants to find out, is Stellar a good investment, and learn more about the technology, read on. In this article, we'll be exploring some of the top Stellar price predictions to find out whether or not the XLM price will gain value in the next 5 years. Whether you're a current investor who wants to decide whether to hold or sell your XLM, or someone who's considering adding the asset to your portfolio, we've compiled everything you need to know here. If you want to buy or invest in Stellar XLM quickly and easily, with 0% commission, check out eToro Exchange. What is Stellar XLM? Before we explore what 2021 to 2025 has in store for Stellar, let's recap how this cryptocurrency works. As we alluded to in the introduction, Stellar XLM is made up of 2 key components: its open-source decentralized payment network, Stellar, and its native currency, Lumens, XLM. Considering the fact that Jed McCaleb previously founded Ripple, you probably won't be surprised to learn that Stellar is highly focused on facilitating cross-border payments. However, one key difference between Stellar and Ripple is their target audiences. While Ripple makes it easier for banks to transfer money without having to worry about exchange rates and fees, Stellar has positioned itself as a digital solution for people who want to make everyday payments. The cryptocurrency is owned by a nonprofit that claims its primary aim is to offer financial freedom to those with restricted access to reliable institutions. Ultimately, it hopes to create a worldwide network. This would mean that somebody could make an international payment in their own currency and it would reach the recipient in theirs, without the fees and slow transaction times traditionally associated with cross-border payments. Each Stellar transaction costs just 0.0001 XLM in fees and takes less than 6 seconds to process. Compare this to Bitcoin, which can take as long as an hour to process a single transaction. And that's not the only difference between Bitcoin and the so-called secret Bitcoin project. Because its total supply was originally set to increase by 1% every year, Stellar was known as an inflationary currency. In theory, this would have made it a lot more scalable than Bitcoin, which is currently expected to reach its maximum supply around the year 2030. Whether you're an existing investor or somebody looking for the extra push to add Stellar to their portfolio, Keep reading to find out more. In this updated article, we've compiled some of the most compelling price predictions for Stellar XLM over the next 5 years. Short-term Stellar price predictions. 2021 Stellar price forecast for 2021. What are crypto experts forecasting for Stellar XLM in 2021? Will Stellar XLM go up in 2021? After the cryptocurrency market's latest bull run, many investors are wondering what 2021 holds for the price of XLM. If you're wondering, is Stellar XLM a good investment in 2021? Read on to find out what top crypto analysts have to say. So, having recapped what exactly Stellar is, let's take a look at what we could expect to happen to XLM price throughout 2021. When we first shared an article about Stellar XLM price predictions back in October, Wallet Investor had one of the most bearish forecasts. The platform believed that the asset would follow an overall downward trend throughout the course of the year, closing 2021 at a value of around 8 cents. So, how have its predictions changed over the last couple of months? As we can see from the graph above, Wallet Investor has dramatically changed its forecasts. According to its research, the price of XLM is set for its second most successful year of all time, with another substantial bull run predicted for November to December. Although it expects the price to fluctuate throughout the year, it doesn't believe Stellar will ever fall below 20 cents. By the end of 2021, we could be seeing Stellar prices of $0.448, the asset's highest price since 2018. If this is true, it would be great news for investors wondering, will Stellar XLM go up? In the run-up to the market's bull run, the cryptocurrency has had 2 rather disappointing years. This has even caused some people to ask, is Stellar Lumens dead? But as we can see from Wallet Investor's prediction, this underdog asset could be set for a much brighter future. Our second short-term price prediction comes from Trading Beasts. According to Trading Beasts, Stellar future could be brighter. The trading platform has predicted that the price of XLM could hit a maximum price of 53 cents by December 2021. Like Wallet Investor, Trading Beasts expects the price of Stellar Lumens to increase towards the end of 2021, with its highest rates of change scheduled for November and December. Although its minimum predictions aren't staggeringly bullish, they still show improvement from its current price, while its average predictions are incredibly encouraging. They indicate that Stellar could be in for a particularly successful year, remaining above 40 cents for the entirety of 2021. This would take the asset to its highest level since the very start of 2018. Trading Beasts' predictions are noticeably static. It doesn't expect the price of Stellar to fall below 20 cents at any point. The platform agrees with the idea that XLM could rocket towards 70 cents in 2021. For our final short-term price prediction, we've turned to digital coin price. Its outlook is rather more volatile than those of both Wallet Investor and Trading Beasts, but the platform still believes that Stellar XLM will close the year at a higher price than its current $0.3258. Although this graph doesn't look all that encouraging, it's important to focus on the fact that digital coin price believes Stellar will $0.475 for almost the entire of 2021. There's apparently just a couple of days that will see its price dip to $0.471647 at the end of August and beginning of September. This actually makes it one of the most optimistic predictions we've seen. Because the platform has predicted a massive bull run, and subsequent bearish adjustment, towards the end of February, some investors may feel as though they're in for a rocky ride. But if its yearly low is truly just over 47 cents, the outlook is still incredibly positive. Many investors are keen to ask, is Stellar XLM a good investment in 2021? According to Digital Coin Price, the outlook is positive. It believes that the price of Stellar XLM will hit highs of 49 cents during 2021. Overall, the Stellar XLM 2021 price predictions are varied. At one extreme, Digital Coin Price foresees high levels of volatility and XLM's highest price in years. At the other, Wallet Investor believes that the price of XLM will increase throughout 2021 and end up trading higher than its current price. So, is Stellar a good investment for 2021? The short-term Stellar price predictions that we've included in this article suggest it could be. None predicts that XLM will close 2021 at a lower price than its current value, which should be a reassuring sign to investors. The key question now is whether its long-term prospects are as promising as its short-term ones. If you favor a long-term investing strategy, let's take a look at the Stellar price predictions for 2022 to 2025. Have you considered investing in Stellar XLM? Long-term Stellar price predictions, 2022 to 2025. What are crypto experts forecasting for Stellar XLM in 2022 and beyond? Many crypto investors are keen to know what the next 5 years could have in store for the price of Stellar XLM. If you're looking for a CARDANO price prediction 2025, or even wondering, should I invest in Stellar? Keep reading. It's important to look ahead to see how its price might change in the next couple of years. In this section, we'll be exploring the potential price changes of XLM between 2022 and 2025. As these predictions show, Stellar Lumens, XLM, could be set for one of its best years yet. However, what could we expect to see in the long term? For 2022, the Italian crypto platform Previsioni Bitcoin has given the following prediction. Previsioni Bitcoin justifies its exceedingly bullish predictions as it believes that the world will significantly increase its adoption of many cryptocurrencies over the next couple of years. As we can see, it doesn't think that Stellar Lumens is an exception to this rule. According to Previsioni Bitcoin forecast, the price of Stellar XLM could rise from $1 to $2 between January and May 2022. Even $1 is an incredibly optimistic prediction, so this is potentially exciting news for investors. After a yearly high of $2.130037 in August, Previsioni Bitcoin believes that Stellar XLM will close in 2021 at a price of $1.719757. Considering XLM's previous ATH was just $0.897472 in 2018, this would be an incredible new record. Many people might think this is overly ambitious. However, Stellar has already proven that its price can double in the space of a month, so maybe it's not as unrealistic as it might seem at first glance. For our second long-term price prediction, we've returned to digital coin price. After predicting an encouraging 2021, what does the platform expect to see in 2022 to 2025? Digital coin price's forecast for Stellar XLM is incredibly positive. For the next few years, it's predicted the following milestones. As a long-term investment, it projects that Stellar could perform incredibly positive. According to its predictions, the value of the Stellar price could rise to 65 cents by the very end of 2021, rising to 75 cents in 2022, 84 cents in 2023, 91 cents in 2024 and achieving a mean price of $1.50 by 2025. According to its technical analysis, Digital Coin Price expects the price of Stellar Lumens to hit a new ATH within the next 5 years. It expects its biggest growth rate to occur over the course of 2024-25, with a price increase of around 20 cents. If you're wondering, what will Stellar Lumens be worth in 2030? You'll probably be pleased to see that Digital Coin Price believes it could have a value of more than $2.50 by 2030. Unfortunately, Long Forecast thinks we should come back down to earth. In stark contrast to Digital Coin Price, and especially Previsioni Bitcoin, this platform has given a bleakly bearish prediction that could see the price of XLM slip below 20 cents during the course of 2023. For 2024, it's quoted the following prices. Stellar prices in 2024. Jan. 14 cents. February. 11 cents. Mar. 9 cents. April. 10 cents. May. 12 cents. June. 14 cents. July. 12 cents. August. 11 cents. Sep. 13 cents. October. 15 cents. November. 17 cents. Dec. 20 cents. The consistently negative growth rates are incredibly discouraging, as none of the other predictions included in this article expects the price of XLM to fall below its current value. With a yearly low of 9 cents predicted for February and March 2024, Long Forecast clearly doesn't expect XLM's bullish trend to continue in the long term. Although it does believe the asset will tentatively rally in the run-up to 2025, it's hardly the bullish forecast investors were hoping for. Considering the number of positive predictions far outweighs this bearish outlook, though, we shouldn't lose hope for Stellar's long-term prospects just yet. It's important to have a potential worst-case scenario in mind to create a robust trading strategy, especially as the market is more volatile than ever at the moment. As is often said in the world of trading, plan for the worst, expect the best. The crypto platform Prime XBT has used technical analysis to make the following predictions, pictured in this graph. The three triangles we can see highlighted in green are representative of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Crypto analysts have identified this pattern as one that typically precedes a bullish run, hence the sharp upward trend of Prime XBT's predictions. The platform predicts an incredibly optimistic future for Stellar XLM. As we can see, Prime XBT's technical analysis places Stellar XLM at a possible value of $1.25 by 2023. If these predictions are correct, it would mean that Stellar XLM is set to overtake its previous all-time high, ATH, of $0.897328. According to CoinLiker's analysis, investors wondering, will the price of Stellar XLM go up? Have nothing to worry about. It believes that Stellar will grow year on year between 2021 and 2025. 2021-2022, XLM price, 64 cents, growth, plus 1,130%. 2022-2023, XLM price, $1.52, growth, plus 2,820%. 2025, XLM price, $3.35, growth, plus 6,340%. CoinLiker claims that although we might think these predictions are extreme, they are not as wild as they appear. The platform cites the developing technology of the Stellar network, as well as the increased adoption of XLM in a variety of different use cases, as key factors that could drive this growth in price. It's a claim that Stormgain agrees with. According to the platform, an estimate of $2 by 2025 is conservative. Stellar XLM could be set to surge past its previous ATH of $0.897328. In fact, according to CoinLiker's predictions, its ATH could more than triple over the next 5 years. As a long-term investment, it projects that Stellar could perform very well. According to its predictions, the value of the Stellar price could rise to 75 cents by the very end of 2021, rising to 95 cents in 2022. And achieving a mean price of $2.50 by 2025. How much will Stellar be worth in 2025? According to the Stellar price prediction offered by WalletInvestor.com, XLM is set to rise to $0.782 by the end of 2021 and to 96 cents by the end of 2022, to soar all the way to $2.35 by December 2025. Based on Stellar projections from digitalcoinprice.com, the XLM value is expected to rise significantly in the coming years, trading at around 63 cents in 2021, at 71 cents in December 2023 and at $1.255 in December 2025. Long Forecast predicts XLM to reach $1.69 by the end of 2025. Additional Stellar, XLM, price predictions 2023 to 2025. Stellar price predictions 2021. Crypto Coin Society, $1.332967. Investing Haven, $4. Mega Crypto Price, $5. Stellar Price Predictions 2023, Prime XBT, $1.25. Wallet Investor, $0.613. Trading Beasts, $0.5554100. Stellar Price Predictions 2025, CoinSwitch, $5. Ripple News, $3. Captain Altcoin, $5. Conclusion. Stellar XLM price prediction forecast. The below prediction figures outline some of the potential high and low of Stellar XLM price prediction forecasts in 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025 offered by technical analysts and crypto industry experts. How has the price of Stellar changed over time? In order to find the most accurate answer to the question, is Stellar XLM a good investment? Analyzing cryptocurrency predictions is a great way to start. However, it's also important to look backward as well as forwards. Past performance can be a key indicator of future success, so we've put together a brief guide to the price of XLM over time. As we mentioned earlier, Stellar XLM first came to the market in 2014. This means we have 6 years of price changes to examine. This graph from Nomics tracks the price of XLM. As we can see, the price of Stellar XLM was incredibly static prior to 2017. After spending the first years of its life trading between $0.001 and $0.004, its sudden growth in April, May, and June 2017 was completely unprecedented. However, this was only just the start. The cryptocurrency market as a whole experienced an incredible growth rate towards the start of 2018. This was partly due to the number of new, third-generation cryptos that were launched, sparking a huge level of investor interest. The increased trading volume across the entire industry caused the price of almost every cryptocurrency to shoot up, and Stellar XLM was no exception. At under $1, $0.897328, Stellar's ATH might seem unimpressive when compared to Bitcoin's ATH of a whopping $20,000. However, this was still an incredible increase from its previous prices of $0.001 minus $0.004. Although this price rapidly fell during the course of 2018, it's never returned to the same low prices, remaining for the most part above 5 cents. Unusually among cryptocurrencies, the price of XLM didn't crash back in March 2020. The global coronavirus crash occurred as investor confidence fell in the wake of worldwide lockdown, sending the price of almost every major currency plummeting between the 1st and 16th of March. Surprisingly, the price of XLM actually increased over this period, rising from $0.081985 to $0.100722. This could potentially indicate that XLM isn't impacted by all of the same factors that typically affect industry price swings. For example, analysts have long noticed that many other currencies mirror the volatility levels of Bitcoin, as it can be a good indication of investor sentiment. We'll explore more factors that potentially impact the price of Stellar XLM in the next section of the article. Although the value of XLM didn't fall in line with the rest of the market in March, it thankfully wasn't exempt from the industry-wide bull run that reared its head in December 2020. Between November 16 and January 25, Stellar increased from $0.0870 to $0.278334. An impressive percentage increase of 219.92414%. With the price of XLM still continuing to grow, many investors are hoping that Stellar's bearish days are largely over. Ready to invest in Stellar XLM? What factors affect the price of Stellar XLM? The price of Stellar XLM can change according to a number of internal and external of different factors. In order to make the most accurate Stellar price predictions 2021 to 2025 and to answer the question, will the price of Stellar XLM go up? It's important to understand what these factors are. This will make it easier to predict periods of growth or decline based on current cryptocurrency trends and other world events that can affect the price of XLM. Supply and demand. The relationship between supply and demand affects the price of every single cryptocurrency, and currency in general. When more people are trying to buy XLM than sell, it means that the supply is greater than the demand. This pushes the price of XLM up. When more people are trying to sell than buy, it means that the demand is greater than the supply, which has a negative effect on the price. Both supply and demand are impacted by a variety of different factors. We've outlined some of the most important below. The rise of decentralized apps, dApps, throughout the world. Interest in decentralized apps, dApps, is increasing. The Stellar network is powering a number of finance apps that aim to make it easier for people to send everyday cross-border payments. Stellar's partnership with IBM has resulted in a payments platform that will soon be able to handle 7 fiat currencies, including the British pound and Fijian dollar, as well as XLM. Increased adoption of these apps, which are bolstered due to the high profile of partnerships with companies such as IBM, will have a positive impact on the price of Stellar XLM. System updates. Updates to cryptocurrency networks are usually eagerly awaited by investors, sometimes for years in advance. The suspense about the update is often enough to keep the price of the asset buoyed up before the release, but prices can truly skyrocket once the update has been rolled out successfully. The most recent example of this for XLM came earlier this week on November 23. A top Stellar executive, Justin Rice, took to the company blog to announce that Stellar had upgraded its protocol from number 13 to 15, a move that caused the price of XLM to rise by a massive 68% in just 1 week. Cryptocurrencies are subject to a number of internal and external factors, all of which can cause prices to soar or fall. It's important to understand what these factors are. This will make it easier for you to predict potential breakout periods, or crashes. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. If yes, please hit the bell icon to get such latest notifications about XLM first. Also, if new to the channel, please subscribe. What do you think about the XLM price? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway, and thanks for watching.